Okay, this is our unheated greenhouse in the middle of winter. And you'll notice all of the tomato vines from last year are on the ground. These are the ties that we've undone and put them high on the fencing to be ready for next year. We use the ties as the tomato grows. Now all of these vines will be raked up and put in the compost pile before next summer. This is the T-tape that runs along each side of our fencing. And this is how it connects. At the very head of the greenhouse, we have 3 rows of T-tape, and the T-tape runs along each side. And that's how we water in the greenhouse. And then this is the side of the greenhouse. You'll notice there's chicken wire fencing. That's to keep the rabbits out. The rabbits eat the young plants. And the roll-up sides are shown pretty nicely. This is what it looks like from the outside. This is January in Minnesota. And that's our puppy, Hopi. He loves the greenhouse.
Hopi.
And he loves to guard it.